Welcome to the unboxing of the Nikon Z 400 f 4.5 VRS. We're going to get this thing opened up so we can see what kind of goodies we have inside. Glad you guys could join me today. So right off the bat, when we open it up, we've got obviously the warranty card and the little manual that nobody ever really pays attention to until something breaks. Looks like we got the little fancy sock here that the lens can go in. I'm not going to unfold that all the way, but I'm pretty sure that that's what that is. Very soft, smooth. So we've got that in there as well. Once we get into the box here, we open up the top, nice foam insert. This box is super light. I'll pull this thing on out. Some nice packing here, keep it nice and safe. Throw that over there. And inside we have the lens hood, which we'll see how that attaches to the lens here in just a second. Ooh, fancy. Oh, it's got rubber around the tip. That's cool. Cool stuff. All right. The 400mm f 4.5S box. Nice and smooth. Wow. Okay, so this isn't going to be a total in-depth review of it. I hope to do that for you guys sometime this week once I get out to shoot some pictures. But I just wanted to open this thing up and obviously show what all was in here, which this is the contents here. And with the lens hood on there, it snaps on. But I can't tell you how light this thing is. I mean, honestly, like Vahography said, it reminds me of the little mug, the little coffee mug, the little plastic coffee mug that you can drink out of, but super light. I mean, I can't even begin to tell you how light this thing is. But what I did want to do while I had you here for the unboxing was, because obviously I'm going to be connecting this with the Z9. But I wanted to pull out the 70 to 200, which I just did a review on with the teleconverter, the 2.0 teleconverter. But I also wanted to pull out the 500 PF that I've also been shooting with lately. And obviously to connect it to the Z9, you've got to have the FTZ adapter on there. So in size comparison, we've got the 400. Let me just back this back down just like the other one. Okay, so 400 f.5, 70 to 200, this is the 2.8, and the 500 PF. So you can see in the size comparison here how small the 400 is. But as far as weight goes, I mean, 2.5 pounds on the 400. You've got the 70 to 200, which is almost 3 pounds. But when you hold these, this thing is so light. This thing feels heavy compared to this. And I never thought that the 70 to 200 was heavy. So we've got 2.5 pounds. We got almost 3 pounds with the 70 to 200. Once you add in that 2X converter, you're looking at another 8 ounces probably roundabout. Maybe not, maybe 6 to 8 ounces. I can't remember exactly how much the weight is on that. But then you got the 500 PF, which is 3.2 pounds. And then once you add in the FTZ adapter, which isn't very much, it's just the adapter, so it's not going to be much, but I mean 2.5, 3, and then 3.2 pounds of weight. So weight wise, I mean, I can't even stress how light this thing is. And I think once it's attached to the Z9, you're really not even going to be able to tell it's there. So I'll get more in depth with that review once I get out with the Z9, but just that's in the size comparison. So, but you can have this thing for $32.50, I think is the retail price, or you can go grab you an 8.3 pound 400F 2.8, and you spend 4 times the price. I think a quarter of the price at this weight to be able to run around with this, shoot handheld, with 6 stops of vibration resistance on the Z9. I mean, it's a no-brainer. You go get the 400. So that's the unboxing review for the 400 F 4.5, and we'll get out and shoot with it and come back and tell you guys what I think about it. Show you some sample pictures. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, and I'm going to assume a lot of you haven't because I am brand new, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and then let me know if you guys are purchasing the 400F 4.5 and what's your wait time on it. Where did you order it from? Drop it in the comments below. Let me know. I'll be sure to get back to you guys on it, and we'll catch you on the review on the next one.